Hey everyone. All right, so for this video, I'm going to continue to talk about um, Clause 8.3, and specifically 8.3.4, which looks at controls. So I've been talking a lot about design development because that's been the main feature of 8.3. This one is about how you control whatever you're doing. So whether you are in the service industry or manufacturing, construction, whatever it may be, whatever you design has to have controls of some sort in place. Otherwise, whatever you have designed will not be treated the same way all the time by the employees. So controls are important, whether it's in a process, if whatever you're writing internally to document how you're going to do whatever you're doing for your customer and client, whether you are using a system. So if you design some kind of system, automated system, an IT project, you can have controls built into that as well. The whole intent behind it is that whatever you're doing needs to be done the same way all the time to give your customer and or client what they want the way they want it. Because if you don't have controls in whatever you're designing, everyone's going to do it differently. And it happens. I've seen it many times. So it's important that whatever you do, you control whatever that is. It could be as simple as a document, right? So without that control, there's a very good chance you're not going to be successful for your customer and or client. So controls are very, very important in whatever you are developing. And it has to be documented. Documentation is important. So whatever you're designing has to have ways to verify whatever you're doing, right? So oftentimes you have to have some kind of quality checks, quality gates, where you're checking whatever it is throughout the process from beginning to end, right? It all has to be verifiable. You have to have a system in place to document that, okay? So just remember that whatever we're doing has to have controls to ensure that what you're doing is the way it needs to be each time, and that you're verifying whatever you're doing from beginning to end for whatever you have put together, put in place to be successful for your customer and or client. All right.